Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Geeks. In today's video, we'll discuss about encapsulation in Java. So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation means wrapping variables with the methods that manipulates the variables. In simple terms, limiting direct access to the variables by declaring as private. That means it can only be accessed within the same class. No outside class can access private variables of other classes. To access the private variable, we set up public getters and setters method. Using these methods, we can update and read the private variables and then the outside class can access those private variables. This way, variables can only be accessed by public methods, thus making the private variables and their implementation hidden from outside classes. That's why encapsulation is also known as data hiding. To achieve encapsulation, so you must declare classes, variables as a private, and then you have to use the methods, a get and set method to access or update the private variables. So let's check with an example. So I have already created the package. So if you want to create a new package, so you have to just go to the src, right click and create the package. So I've already created the encapsulation package here. So now here I'll create the class with the name employee. I'll just create it. So inside the employee class, so I'll create the private variables. So I'm declaring it as private. So string emp name. So private string emp email private int emp id. Okay, so in simple way to create the getters and setters, so what you can do is you have to just select this and select this, right click, go to source, and here you have option to generate the getters and setters. So it will just select for whatever the variables you want to create. So I want to create for all the variables. So I'll just generate the getters and setters. So you can see it has generated the getters and setters. So you can so as I've told you, so we are getting the employee name. So get emp name, so which is public. We are also setting it the employee name. So you can see, and we are passing the string emp, and this emp, so reference to this current variable, is equal to emp. So whatever we are setting it. Now what I'll do is I'll create another class and I'll inherit, and then I'll show you how can you access the private variables. Okay, so client, so this will have main method. So what I'll do is I'll extend. Okay, so I'll create the object. Now I want to set. So you have set employee name. First I'll set the employee name. So I've just set it. Now what I'll do is I'll set the employee email. So what I'll do is I'll set the employee ID. Okay, So since I have set the values, what I'll do is I'll access them. That means I'll print it. So c dot get. So get employee name. So to save the time, I'll just copy and paste it. So here get name. So get email. So here get ID. Let's execute this. See, so this is encapsulation in Java. Thanks for watching.